Hello and welcome. My name is Sunshine, the project manager Sunshine Resources. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make candle at home. If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing so that you can have instant access to our videos each time we upload them. Candle can be made from the following materials. These are candle wax, stearic acid, paraffin oil, wick, mold and color. Color here can be optional. Now let's establish the quantity of materials needed to produce about 320 grams of candle. Candle wax 300 grams, stearic acid 2 tablespoons, paraffin oil 10 ml, wick 1 meter length, mold 2x5 1 and color a teaspoon. Please note that in this particular production we will not be using any color. Now let me show you these materials one by one and then we go into the making process proper. Now this is candle wax and here is stearic acid. This is paraffin oil and this is the wick we're going to use. This here is our improvised mold. Now there are different kind of molds in the market. As you can see on the screen right now, you can make your choice, especially if you want to go into candle making professionally. Pick the kind of mold that you think is ideal for you. Now the first thing we should do is to chop the candle wax into small pieces so that the melting process can be faster. Now put your empty pot on fire and pour the chopped candle wax into the pot. Now add the paraffin oil and the stearic acid into the pot content and ensure that all the pot content is melted. At this moment, if you want to use color, then you can add your color to the pot content. Now you can put off the fire and bring the pot down. Allow the content to cool down for about 45 minutes when it appears as semi-solid. Now stir the pot content and fill your mold. When the filling is completed, make sure to position the wick to run through the center of the mold while the wax is still hot. and this is the final product. So thank you very much for watching, and God bless you. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can visit our website on www.sunshineresources.org.ng. You can also log on to our YouTube channel on youtube.com/c/Sunshine Resources SRTV, or follow us on our Facebook page on Sunshine Resources. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless you.